It happens. Most of us have done it. We've all thought of running away from home as kids. For some, it was to have an adventure. For others, it was just a thought out of frustration. Once in a while, a kid wants to run away from home out of desperation. What does it mean if a kid runs away from home during a storm? The better question is, why would a kid who had never thought of running away before suddenly want to? Was there a place this child wanted to go to? And was there a person she wanted to meet at this place? And if so, why?